Hey there everyone, if you don't have PDF file or AutoCAD layout, if you have only JPEG reference, in that case how to create modeling from that. So first of all, you need to just put the JPG file into a plane, okay, and after that you need to just make it proper scale, like according to room size or wall size. Just scale up or scale down, proper scaling in your one part, and then simultaneously whole plan will convert a proper scale. After that you just create a plane like this, fix the length and width, okay, then convert it into editable poly, then follow these steps, select this edge and then hold shift and drag like this, segment in your door and in your windows and all this part, okay. So in the create that thing, you need to just hold shift and then drag. You are able to create your windows reference or column or anything segment. You can do it easily from that, okay. So I'm just going to fast forward for this thing. Actually guys, I think you got this point, right? Okay, so let's fast forward. If you watch this full video, I'm pretty sure that you are improved or you are learned about the whole process about modeling, rendering and lighting, all this thing, okay. So let's continue. Okay, so after complete that, select this edge and then connect two segment so that you can create the windows or door height properly, okay. So just connect one segment in below and one segment is upper, okay. So then let's fast forward again. Okay, then modeling is done. Now I'm gonna import the modeling. So today I'm not focusing the detailed bed modeling or furniture modeling or all these things. I just drag and drop and import it, and then after that I'm gonna go to the render part, okay. So before that, let's create a camera for the whole view. Okay, and then let's import some model. Okay, done. Modeling is done. Now let's start the rendering part. Start the lighting. Okay, so first of all, as it is, you need to create daylighting from Corona Sun. So create Corona Sun and then drag like this. Go to the front view and bringing it up, and let's start interactive render and let's see. Press F10 and just need to lock it. Okay, light is so burned because of high intensity, so need to decrease the sun intensity here. Intensity 0.2 or lower, okay. Assign the floor material now here. So a default default material for now. Later I'll apply the actual material, okay. Okay, so before doing lighting, it's better to make it, press F10, here scene, and here overwrite material. And select a material like a solid color, here Corona, then maybe Corona Physical or Legacy, anything, and then let's see. So just I preserve here, preserve the all glass material, okay, so that light will sit, light, so that light will passing through and entrance the room, okay. So this is the whole lighting progress now, just Corona sun, not other lighting. So after that, here I wanna make some artificial light like spotlight. So for the to create spotlight, you need to create here IS light, okay. So as you know, you can find IS light from here, like create Corona light, and then you just need to select here a sphere or cylinder. So sphere is better, and then create light as your ceiling reference. Okay, very good. Then adjust the light, bringing it up to ceiling. Okay, so this is the default light, but if you not apply the proper IS file from it, then your light will not properly act on your room, okay. So you need to add a IS file. So click, go to the IS parameter and then click the none option. Then you can find a lot of IS light file, okay. So you can choose here narrow. Then as you can see, the whole light now targeted from your head in your floor, okay. Then adjust it. So it's better to make it off direct visibility, and also you can uncheck this whole thing so that your light will act in very clear. So, and when you apply IS light, I suggest you guys make it warm temperature, okay. So you need to select 4500 temperature, so that you can get the warmish tone. Oops, sorry, 4500. Okay, this is warm color light. It's better in your room. It's looking very spacious. It's looking very soothing and spacious, okay. After that, you can make it instance for 3 times. One already exists, so 2 times, okay. Then you need to adjust the intensity. So it's very important. You need to adjust intensity from a lower value or
makes copy. That's a mistake. You need to instant instead of copy. Okay, so that in one object change simultaneously you would change the other's instant object. Okay, again mistakes. So hold shift and then drag like this, then you need to choose instance, then 2 times. Done. Let's see the reference here. So as you can see our reference. Okay, so decrease the light now here, make it lower like 10. Okay, now that's good. And if you need, you can increase the temperature later. Okay, from arc or circle, so follow my steps. Like this, then make it smooth. Need to increase the interpolation value. Then apply extrude modifier. Oops. Extrude, increase the height. Then that will our environment like texture. I will add here environment like texture. I'll add here environment map. Okay, then exclude this arc from our now exclude this arc from overlaid material. So select this object and press plus icon, then click plus icon, then you can see your arc is visible now. Then I want to apply here an environment map. Okay, so now, so first of all you need to create a light material. So press M from your keyboard, then you can find here material slot, then here it's better to make it slate mode. Then I want to add this map, and before do that you need to create a light material. So material, then corner light material. Okay, so as a light material, from color you can put the texture over here, then assign this texture in your plane. Okay, okay, then let's say need to fix the UVW map. So modify UV, UVW map, then box, and increase the light intensity. But our whole object is black. So when you face this problem, just simply you need to apply here normal map, normal modifier. So apply normal over here, then boom. Or you can also make it a shell, so that your have some thickness over your plane, then it will fix. Okay, so done. Then from a sun you need to exclude the plane from the sun, so that your sunlight enters your room. Okay, so increase the value now. Okay, then adjust the sun direction. As you can see, so when you make a obstacle or plane like this, you need to exclude this object from sun, otherwise your sunlight will not appear in your room. Okay, so that's good, I guess. Okay, then as you can see, you need to add light in this cove area. Okay, so if I check my 3D model, then I can identify easily this thing. So Alt Q for isolation. So in here, just need to add a cove light. Okay, so there are two ways to make cove light. One is applying the light material, and another apply corona light. So in this case I want to add corona light material. So here corona material, then corona light material. Okay, then assign the selected area. Then increase the intensity here 7, and I wanna make it warm light, so select that color, then okay. Unhide all and press F10 and go to the scenes, and here exclude this object and then hit render, and let's see. Oops, I wanna make interactive render, so start IR. The light active now, and if you wanna increase some values, let's see. Okay, that's good. Okay, now I wanna now press F10, press F10, and here I wanna off the material override, and then I wanna focus on the material thing. Okay, so as you can see here in my model part, a lot of material already assigned, so and need some create some material. Okay, so basically I wanna tell you guys that material is very big. Material is very big deal. It's okay, but you can compromise this thing easily here, like Corona material library, and also you can use Chaos Cosmos. So in this, if you use in these two option, you can find a lot of amazing ready-made material over here. Just you need to learn some modification of this material, some editing technique. That's all. If you beginner, okay. So otherwise, if you wanna interested the creating material, it's good. So today I'm gonna share you some material making technique, or I wanna use the material from here. Okay, so first of all I need a floor material. Okay, so basically you can find flooring material over here in this wood section, and here you can find a lot of wooden floor, right? So also let's check the Chaos Cosmos browser. Then go to the material and then wood. And in here wood flooring. So as you can see, a lot of wooden floor over here. So I wanna use this kind of wooden material. Okay, so it takes few seconds to download this material. Then I wanna apply it in my object here. So select this object and go to the Chaos Cosmos and then hit assign. Then you are able to assign the material like this, and then let's start interactive render. Okay, done. So now you can add UVW map if you need. Let's check the mapping. So in here modify list, then UVW, map, then box, then adjust the length and width value. Then also you can change the direction of this floor pattern. So okay, so select the gizmo and then you can easily rotate it. So basically you can also use the floor generator to create realistic material. For this project I want to use that. I just use the Corona Chaos Cosmos material. Okay, now let's hit the interactive render. here. Okay, that's good. So in here there is a corona light group open. So now need this light, delete. Okay, then I want to assign material in my backdrop. So in here already have marble texture material. It's making very easy. If you if I wanna brief that, go to the material editor slot, and then simply just you can also make here create new view. Okay, so then maybe you wanna create a new material like marble, wooden, whatever. Just you need to select the material. Then if you use corona, then corona. Here are two options. One is corona physical material and another corona legacy material. So in this update corona version, I prefer legacy material. It's better. So you can use the corona legacy material, and then you just use the map in diffuse color. And if you have the reflective map and glossy map, then step by step you want to add the material diffuse, reflect, and bump if you have the PBR material. Okay, so this is a very manual technique. And another technique, as I worked before, here from corona material or cosmos material. So you can just drag and drop the material in your view. Okay, it didn't work. So if you have, suppose you have assigned a material, and then you just need to pick this material in your viewport, then you are able to customize this material according to your choice. So maybe you wanna make this material or change the color. You can use here color correction or other. Okay, so I wanna assign the material in the backdrop. So here let's check the material. Pick this material in your material viewport, and then there is very basic material. I want to change it, so I want to make material from corona material library, and then here I want to use car paints. So here carpet simple white material. So I want to assign the material over here. So select this object and then right click on your material slot, then assign to selected object. But assign to selected object. Okay, then I want to make mirror material in this object. So I want to share this file, you guys, that you want to practice it. So link in the description. You can download this full scene. So if you want to practice this object to assign different kind of material and experiment the lighting, you can do it easily. Corona then corona rectangular light and create like this. This is for overall ambience in this room, so uncheck this whole thing and then decrease the intensity value, maybe 4, and make it wireframe, then hit interactive render. Okay, so in this step I wanna set the render properly, so press F10. In here you just add some basing setting over here. So time I want a 13 minutes for better output, and here noise level limit 2, and my and as it is corona high quality. Okay, so again I wanna add corona light mix, just instant and generate. Now let's hit final render. Okay, it's better, but also you still have some detail touch in this object like material and lighting. So today I don't wanna expand this class because I already shared this scene in my description, so I prefer that you guys download this scene from description box and practice it from scratch, like material and lighting, all these things. I make another camera, so copy this camera and it's for second view. And start the render second view, and let's check. So there are too much noise, so after complete the rendering I wanna show you the actual view.